Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Cinema Official. I am Roman Khar bringing you another exciting episode of our travel series Explore Meghalaya. Meghalaya is known for various beautiful and scenic destinations, and among all these destinations are the majestic and thunderous waterfalls spread across the state of Meghalaya. In this video, we will bring you the top 10 waterfalls you must visit when you are at Meghalaya. When you are at the abode of clouds, you should not miss out on visiting a beautiful waterfall. Situated at Mawkma village, this waterfall is known as the Lyngksiar Falls. The walk that you're gonna take to reach the waterfall is absolutely picturesque and awesome. Within 3 kilometers away, to be precise, from Lyngksiar Falls is another must-visit waterfall of Meghalaya. We are visiting our next destination, which is known as Mawkma Falls. This waterfall is popular among the locals, and visitors enjoy swimming at the crystal clear water. There is also a tiny beach-like space where visitors relax and spend time together. En route to Sohra, driving towards an impressive and breathtaking scenery is another must-add to the list of places to visit in Meghalaya. This waterfall is known as the Wahkaba Falls, and it is about 8 kilometers away before reaching Sohra. The next waterfall one can visit when they are at Meghalaya is the Sumpuri Falls. This waterfall is situated at Mawkdok Valley. To reach the waterfall, one has to walk down for about 10 minutes from the 168 viewpoint. Discovered just in recent years by the locals of Sohra, is one of the most beautiful and breathtaking waterfall. Situated at Sohra, Khmat Kharai Falls has become one of the most popular waterfalls. This waterfall, known as the Prut Falls and located at Laitlyndop, cannot be missed out if you are at the abode of clouds. The magnificent drop of the waterfall from about 40 meters above will amaze and excite you all. India's one of the tallest and most picturesque waterfalls, the Nohkalikai Falls. This waterfall is considered as one of the most popular and exciting destinations to visit in Meghalaya. We are right now at Dlin Falls. It is a beautiful falls that you will come across 7 kilometers away from Mawkma village. Dainthlen Falls is also a very popular waterfall and another gem of Sohra. On the Jowai-Dauki Road in the West Jaintia Hills district lies another splendid and picturesque waterfall which is known as the Waya Falls. This waterfall is located at Skhenpyrsit village and it is one of the most beautiful waterfalls of this state. Finally, the waterfall that you should never miss out when you are in this part of the country is the Waia Falls. Located at Nongstoin, which is in the West Khasi district. This waterfall plunges from a towering height, creating a spectacular view. As you approach closer to the waterfall, the roar of the thunderous sound of the water rushing grows louder.
We are at the viewpoint right now. Just listen to the thunderous and the loud sound of the waterfall.
The best time to visit all these waterfalls is during the monsoon season from June up to late October. So that's all friends in this video for today. See you soon in our next episode. Thanks for watching.